Colors and numbers hold subtle yet profound energy that can influence our emotions, thoughts, and actions. By intentionally using them, you can invite positivity and harmony into your daily life. Let's explore how these simple elements can become tools for transformation, bringing you closer to the happiness and balance you seek. Colors are more than just visual experiences. They affect how we feel and think. Studies show that specific colors can trigger emotional responses, making them a vital tool for fostering positivity. Bright colors like yellow and orange are associated with energy and optimism. Incorporating these into your environment or wardrobe can instantly uplift your mood and boost your enthusiasm for the day. Start small by using these colors in accessories, such as scarves, ties, or even phone cases. Cooler shades like blue and green promote calmness and balance. Surrounding yourself with these colors can help reduce stress and enhance focus. Adding green plants to your home or choosing a serene blue background for your workspace are simple ways to accept their soothing effects. Experiment with colors intentionally. For instance, if you're feeling anxious, focus on the grounding energy of earthy tones like brown or deep green. Feeling low? Wear a bold red outfit to spark confidence and determination. Numbers have symbolic meanings that carry unique vibrations. When used thoughtfully, they can become powerful tools for manifesting positivity and clarity. Take the number 1, which symbolizes new beginnings and independence. Writing this number in a journal or placing it in prominent places can remind you to accept fresh starts and take charge of your goals. The number 3 represents creativity and joy. Displaying this number in your home or focusing on it during meditation can inspire innovative ideas and spark happiness. Consider writing affirmations 3 times or decorating with patterns involving triangles for added emphasis. Even numbers like 6 and 8 are often linked to harmony and abundance. Including them in passwords, setting alarms on these numbers, or using them in other small ways can help create a sense of balance and attract prosperity. Using colors and numbers together creates a dynamic duo for fostering positivity. When paired correctly, they amplify each other's effects, offering a unique way to align your energy with your intentions. For instance, meditating while focusing on the number 7, associated with spiritual awakening, and wearing or visualizing the color purple, a color that symbolizes wisdom, can enhance your connection to your inner self. This practice is especially helpful during times of uncertainty. If you're looking for motivation, combine the energizing color orange with the dynamic energy of the number 5. Use orange sticky notes to write 5 daily affirmations or create a vision board using these elements. When seeking peace and relaxation, opt for blue and the number 2. Surround yourself with blue hues in your space and repeat a calming affirmation twice during each meditation session. This pairing encourages emotional harmony and tranquility. Making these tools a part of your routine ensures that positivity becomes second nature. Start by identifying the colors and numbers that resonate with you, then incorporate them into your daily activities. Use color-coded lists or sticky notes for planning. Assign uplifting colors to tasks you're excited about and calming shades for tasks requiring focus. This simple habit can make your to-do list feel less overwhelming and more enjoyable. Set daily intentions based on numbers. For example, choose 3 positive affirmations to start your day, or set a timer for 5 minutes of focused breathing with a relaxing color in sight. Decorate your space with purpose. Add artwork or objects in colors that inspire you and arrange them in patterns reflecting meaningful numbers. Over time, this can subtly influence your mood and mindset. Colors can also serve as a pathway to emotional healing, helping you process and overcome difficult feelings. For example, shades of pink can promote self-love and forgiveness, creating a nurturing environment for emotional recovery. Incorporating pink into your surroundings or wearing it during moments of self-reflection can encourage a gentler outlook toward yourself. Golden or yellow hues are excellent for dispelling feelings of doubt or insecurity. Wearing or visualizing these colors can help you accept your inner power and move past negative self-talk. Use colors actively in your healing process. For instance, draw or paint your emotions using colors that represent them, then transition to colors that symbolize peace and resolution as a form of release. Numbers can provide clarity and guidance when making decisions or navigating uncertain times. By paying attention to recurring numbers or using them intentionally, you can tap into their subtle energies. For example, the number 7 often symbolizes introspection and wisdom. If you're faced with a tough decision, focus on this number while journaling or meditating. You may find that clarity comes through introspection, helping you understand your true desires. The number 9 signifies completion and letting go. When closing a chapter in your life, such as finishing a project or moving on from a challenging situation, repeating affirmations or creating rituals centered around this number can aid emotional closure. The number 4, associated with stability and grounding, is ideal for setting realistic goals and creating action plans. Synopsis. Use this number when organizing your tasks or establishing routines that require discipline and consistency. Pay attention to numbers that appear repeatedly in your life. These patterns may carry messages about your current path or areas where you need focus. Incorporating these numbers into your mindfulness practices can reinforce their positive influence. Colors can also act as anchors for visualizing success and achieving your goals. When used intentionally, they help strengthen your mental focus and determination. Red, often associated with passion and drive, is ideal for visualizing career or personal success. Imagine yourself surrounded by a red aura during meditation to boost your confidence and energy for action. Gold and green are symbolic of abundance and prosperity. Visualizing yourself achieving financial or personal abundance in a green or golden setting can make these goals feel tangible and within reach. Colors can also align with specific goals. For example, if your focus is on improving relationships, pink and lavender can foster warmth and understanding in your interactions. Visualize these colors enveloping you as you navigate conversations or interactions. Pair your visualizations with affirmations. Repeating empowering phrases while focusing on colors strengthens your intention and helps you maintain a positive mindset as you work toward your dreams. A simple yet powerful way to harness color energy is through mindful breathing exercises. By pairing focused breaths with visualizing a specific color, you can enhance emotional balance and mental clarity. Begin by sitting in a comfortable position and closing your eyes. Inhale deeply and visualize a calming color, such as blue, flowing into your body with each breath. Let it wash away tension and bring a sense of peace. If you're seeking energy and motivation, visualize a vibrant orange or yellow as you breathe in. Imagine the color filling your body with vitality and enthusiasm, energizing you for the day ahead. For grounding and focus, choose earthy tones like green or brown. Visualize them stabilizing your thoughts and emotions, helping you feel more present and centered. Practicing this for just 5 minutes a day can make a significant difference in your mood and energy levels. Incorporate it into your morning routine or use it as a midday reset to stay aligned with positivity. The key to maximizing the power of colors and numbers lies in personalization. Tailoring these tools to your unique needs and preferences ensures that they resonate deeply and effectively. Start by identifying colors that evoke positive feelings for you. Spend time observing how certain colors impact your mood and energy levels, then incorporate these shades into your daily life through clothing, decor, or visualization. Do the same with numbers. Reflect on any numbers that hold special meaning for you, such as birth dates, anniversaries, or lucky numbers. Use these numbers to set goals, create affirmations, or organize your day. I combine colors and numbers in creative ways. For example, you might choose to wear a specific color on a day you focus on an important task, paired with setting a timer for a meaningful number of minutes. Experimentation is key. Over time, you'll discover the combinations that work best for you, making these tools an integral part of your self-care and positivity practices. Colors and numbers become even more powerful when aligned with specific intentions. They serve as reminders and catalysts, helping you stay focused on what truly matters. When setting intentions, pair them with a corresponding color and number. For instance, if your goal is to cultivate inner peace, choose a soothing color like light blue and the number 2 for balance. Visualize these elements as you affirm your intention daily. Create a daily ritual that incorporates these elements. Light a candle in your chosen color while journaling about your goals, or use crystals and objects that align with your intentions. Include the corresponding number in your process, such as repeating an affirmation a set number of times. Track your progress using these tools. For example, if your goal is to improve self-confidence, wear empowering colors like red and track your growth for a meaningful number of days, such as 7 or 21. As you incorporate colors and numbers into your practices, you'll notice their subtle yet profound impact on your mindset and actions, helping you align with the positivity and success you desire. Colors and numbers are simple yet powerful tools that can transform your perspective and infuse your life with positivity. By intentionally incorporating them into your daily routines, you can create an environment that supports your emotional well-being and personal growth. Start experimenting with these techniques today. Explore how different colors and numbers resonate with you and adapt them to your unique journey. Small changes can lead to significant transformations when practiced consistently. If you found these insights helpful, share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to stay inspired and uplifted every day.